Hey guys, wanna know how to change your background color or color of your charts in MetaTrader 5? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, simply open up your MetaTrader application first. And right here, click anywhere on the charts. But make sure you are on the charts tab right here under. So once you're there, click anywhere that you like on the charts. And you can see this adjust icon. Just simply click on it. Now once you're there, scroll down a little bit till you reach the bottom and there is something known as colors. So simply click on it. Now you can simply change the scheme right here. This changes the entire color code of your chart. Now I'll just select green or black this time. Click on save and then go back to charts right here. And there you can see the change is taking place. Green and black has been successfully added. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.